Hi, my name is Greg Palya with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I just wanted to quickly go over our new pillar page on our website. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Spray Foam Roofing. And unlike most ebooks that are out there, even on our own website, you had to fill out a form, give your email, your name to get any content out there. But this one, it's totally free. It's on our website. We don't need your email or first name. You can just look at it. It's probably 8,000 words long, but it covers everything you would ever want to know about spray foam roofing. In the guide, we talk about how much it costs, talk about how to install it. What else we go? We go over case studies about it. There's case studies in there. We talk about the lifetime cost of the whole thing. So we go through a 20-year analysis, how much it costs year one, the recoat after 10 years, after 20 years, how much it is with maintenance in between. We go over the whole thing. So a 20-year life cost analysis on it. And we talk about other roofing systems too. So it talks about spray foam versus single ply versus metal versus built up versus modified bitumen. It goes through all those in there as well. That's all I have for today. I just wanted to promote it, tell you that it's free, there's no information required, and it has a lot of juicy information that hopefully you find useful. To find it, just go to the description on the bottom there. There's a URL to it, and hopefully you learned a lot of things new. So thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again. Bye-bye.